Good morning, students. I am your teacher Irish, your teachers in science. So before we start our lesson, we have an objectives first. At the end of the class, the student will be able to identify the different uses parts of the plants. Second, the name of different uses parts of the plants. Student will be able to know about it. Three, the student will be able to operate in the activity. Before we start our discussion, let's have a prayer first. Judy, can you please lead the prayer? In the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. In the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Okay, before we proceed to our lesson, let's check an attendance first. Is everybody here? Very good. All of you are here. All of you are present. Keep it up, class.
So, let's have a recap first. What was our lesson yesterday? Okay, we discussed different kind of fruits. You're right. What are the different kind of fruits, class? Judy, orange, neon, apple, Jane, banana. Very good. That's the kind of difference of fruits. Okay, I prepared a video clip. You watch and listen carefully, okay class? You listen carefully, ha?
So here's the video. Please watch and listen carefully, class. Parts of a plant. Like human beings, plants also have different parts. These parts of the plant help them grow, survive, and reproduce. Some parts of the plant are above the ground, while some are below the ground. The parts of a plant above the soil that we can see is called shoot of a plant. Parts of a plant below the soil that we cannot see is called root of a plant. Now we will talk about parts of a plant. There are mainly 5 parts: leaves, stem, flower, fruit, and roots. Different parts of the plants have their own functions. They help in making, distributing, and storing food. Stem is strong and helps hold the plant. It allows water and nutrients flow up to the leaves. Some examples of the stem that we eat are sugarcane and asparagus. Leaves. Leaves collect sunlight and make food for the plant. Every plant has a different kind of leaf. Some examples of leaves that we eat are cilantro and fenugreek leaves. Roots. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and holds the plant so it does not fall over. Some examples of roots that we eat are potato and carrot. Flower. Flowers are the parts of plants that make seeds and fruits. Flowers are colorful, so easily attracts hummingbirds and bees. Some of the flowers we like are sunflower and rose. Fruit. Fruits protect seeds. They help plants spread seeds out because animals transport and discard seeds when they eat fruits. Examples of fruits we eat are eggplant and strawberry. Most plants grow from a seed. Plants need sunlight, soil, water, and air to grow. Plants cannot move. They make their own food using air, water, and sunlight. That's all the parts of the plant.
What have you noticed in the video we watched, class? Okay, you saw the different uses parts of plants. Exactly our lesson for today, the different uses of parts of plants. Okay, today we are going to study the different parts of the plants. Okay, I will show you this picture. What plant is this? Tomato plant. Yes, this is a fruit. Fruit is the edible part of the plant. Again, what is fruit, class? Fruit is the edible part of the plant. Okay, number 2. I will show you this picture. Okay. What have you noticed about this picture? Judy? It is yellow and beautiful. This part called flower. This is the most attractive part of the flower. Again, what is the function of the flower? Class, Jane, Erica, how about you, Lian? Okay, flower is the most attractive part of the plant. What have you observed in this part of the plants? How about this picture? Class, Erica? Yes, it is color green. This part called leaves. Again, what is the function of the leaves? How about you, John? Plants use leaves to make food. Very good. Okay, how about this picture, number 4? Class, this is a stem. Stem is responsible for representing the main body of the plants and leaves. Again, what is the function of the stem, class? Okay, stem is responsible for supporting the main body of plants and leaves. Very good. Okay, next. Okay, what is this, class? This is root. Root is responsible for holding plants in the ground and absorbing water and minerals from the soil. Again, what is the function of the root, Erica? Okay, very good. Root is responsible for holding plants in the ground and absorbing water and minerals. Okay, class, let me ask you. What is the different parts of the plants? Erica? Okay, roots, very good. Judy? Stem, very good. How about you, Jane? Leaves, very good. John? Flower, very good. Rowena? Fruits, very good. Okay, I have another question. Why we should take care of the plants around us? Class? Any idea? Okay, we should take care the plants because plants give us food and give us fresh air. Very good. Now, I have an activity here. A simple activity. Encircle the parts of the plants. So here in the picture, encircle which is part of the plants. Okay. Are you done? Is everybody done? Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. For number 1, we should encircle the flower. How about Judimar? Leaves and stem. Very good. Everybody correct? Yes. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. Okay, we should encircle the, everyone, fruits and roots. Very good. So, since everybody got the correct answer, now before we end our discussion, I will give you an assignment. So, listen everybody. So, on your science notebook, draw a flower and label each part. Do you get my point? Okay, very good. So before we end our discussion, let's end with a prayer. Jane, please lead a prayer. The Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. The Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. That's all for today, class, and goodbye.